It is a global product factory, well known, and the Azimut Group investment has a dedicated team of investment managers located in various parts of the world, making it a significant player in the asset management industry. So I guess a lot of you would have the question, who are these people? So let me just tell you who we are exactly. We are Azimut Alternative Capital Partners, AACP. It's a firm based in New York. The AACP is a subsidiary of the Azimut Group, and our primary focus is collaborating with alternative asset managers in the private market, led by an industry expert, Mr. Jeff Brown. So our team at AACP has an extensive experience in investing, fundraising, due diligence, and operations within the alternative asset management space. So let me give you sort of an overview of our business segment. So Azimut Investment acquires stakes in the middle market, private market business, and support, like first-time teams and funds in exchange for distribution. We also invest in emerging managers in exchange for strategy, capital, and working capital. So next to that, we additionally have an offer for advisory services in a wide range of alternative funds, exclusive for Azimut Global distribution system. One of the main reasons we have introduced an affiliate program just less than a week ago is to bring the benefit of our asset management expertise to clients worldwide. We believe that incorporating crowdfunding will enhance our ability to serve clients and provide them with valuable opportunities that are out there and they can exchange and make money with us. So what makes us stand out in the industry? Why us and not someone else? Well, we have a strong global presence in wealth and asset management. It is spanning across 17 countries. This gives us access to Azimut Group's extensive international distribution network and valuable relationships. Moreover, our corporate parent provides us with permanent capital, enabling us to focus on the long-term performance, not the short-term, not just a quickie and out the door. We also offer, creative capital solutions, including growth capital, partner/founder transitions, capital structure cleanups, seeder takeouts, and GP co-investment capital funding. Our approach is the best because we're very flexible and we have a tailored approach to each situation. We don't believe in one size fits all approach. And lastly, we just take pride in being trusted, of being a long-term growth partner, as our operating management heritage goes beyond mere financial acquisitions, because our distribution power and product intelligence further solidify our commitment to excellence and nothing but excellence. That's something I like to say always. But in conclusion, Azimut Investments, as part of the Azimut Group, is committed to providing you with exceptional investment opportunities and comprehensive financial solutions to all our clients worldwide. That's where we're trying to reach everyone, everywhere. We are also excited to work closely with each and every one of you and explore potential for mutual growth. You rub my back, I rub yours, basically. I want to remind you that while our company has been around for a long, long time, this thing we have for you today, the affiliate program, is just something we launched not maybe a week ago, but maybe like 4 days or 5 days. Additionally, I'd like to mention some important aspects of our affiliate program. Since we're talking about the subject, the agent bonus is instantly paid to affiliate crypto wallet, ensuring an automated payment processing, and this allows our agent to receive their bonuses without any delay or complications. Furthermore, we have a weekly asset bonus that is also automated. This means that the bonus is directly paid to the affiliate crypto wallets on a weekly basis. By automating this process, we aim to provide our affiliates with seamless and efficient experience, allowing them to enjoy the benefits of their hard work consistently. I'm seeing some very active faces here in the chat, and so these automated payments features, they streamline the process for our affiliates, ensuring they receive their bonuses in a timely and convenient manner. That's basically all I have to say about this for now, because I'll soon pass the word to my my colleague and friend, Jason. So without further ado, I'll present you Jason and his presentation that we worked really hard on, and I hope it answers some of your questions. And if you do still have questions after that, we will have a segment where we're gonna answer some questions. So thank you, and take it away, Mr. Wasif.
Thanks, Winston. Appreciate that. Yeah, excellence indeed. We rub your back, you rub ours. Always working hand in hand. And yeah, I worked long and hard on this, so definitely stick around for it. Really appreciate it. Winston, thanks also for hosting tonight.
Thank you. You're welcome. Really glad to have you here.
Thanks for taking the time, mate. And yeah, of course, thank you everyone else for joining us on this webinar, hosted, of course, by Azimut Investment Management. And I'm so thrilled to have this opportunity to share with you the defining investment direction that Azimut brings to your portfolio. So let's dive right in. Allow me to share my desktop with you. Wonderful. We can see it. Let's hope so. Fabulous. All righty. Now, Azimut Investment Management, we're dedicated to leveraging the extensive international expertise of Azimut Group to create and preserve wealth in a risk-adjusted manner. And we have a unique range of offerings that's going to definitely help drive your investment strategy forward. And with our comprehensive approach, we aim to provide you with a well-rounded investment experience that balances risk and returns. And as one of the largest asset management firms globally, Azimut Investment Management has a proven track record. And as Winston said earlier, we are the best. I mean, in 2013, we formed Azimut Investment Management after acquiring Athenaeum Limited, a fund manager established in 1999. Just when the Y2K bug hit. And we are a wholly owned subsidiary of Azimut Holding, Italy's leading asset manager. And then our parent company, established in 1989, has been listed on the Italian stock exchange, AMZ.MI, since 2004. And Azimut currently manages over $82 billion in assets globally. You see, our approach focuses on the integration of relationship management and portfolio management, while still maintaining a completely unbiased multi-custodian and multi-execution platform that ensures the best execution. And of course, at minimizing costs, as we all want. Risk management is a key emphasis in our solutions, and it's designed to preserve our clients' wealth. I mean, we understand that each client has their own unique goals and risk appetite, right? And so we therefore tailor our investment strategies to suit individual needs. Now, at Azimut Investment Management, we take registration and regulation seriously. We hold a capital market services license for fund management under the Securities and Futures Act of Singapore. And this regulatory framework provides a really strong foundation for our operations, and it ensures that we operate with the highest standards of professionalism and, of course, compliance. Winston said earlier, we are a global organization. Without a doubt, our global presence is extensive, allowing us to navigate in both the public and private markets effectively. We've got offices in the North America, South America, in Europe, we've got Ireland, Luxembourg, we've got Switzerland, Egypt, Turkey, Australia, my gosh, the list goes on, Singapore, Taiwan. And we are strategically positioned to serve our clients' needs. And it's this global footprint that gives us this deep understanding of various markets. And it enables us to identify investment opportunities across different regions, across the whole world. And Azimut is proud to collaborate with esteemed partners around the world too. You know, we've got CDP, we've got PRI, JP Morgan, Chase & Co., and the Forum for Sustainable Finance. And it's our commitment to sustainability and responsible investing that is fundamental to our approach. And we believe that integrating environmental, social, and governance, the ESG factors, into our investment decisions can deliver long-term value to our clients while still promoting absolute positive change in our world. And it's our team which are at the heart of our success. As you can see here, we've got a dedicated and experienced group of professionals who work tirelessly to ensure that our clients' needs are met. And our team consists of highly skilled portfolio managers. We've got analysts, we've got relationship managers, client service representatives, and more, who all bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table, allowing us to deliver that superior investment solution. You see, we believe in fostering a collaborative environment, and that, of course, encourages creativity, encourages innovation, and that's what enables us to stay ahead of market trends and, of course, deliver the best outcomes for our clients. Now, at Azimut, our culture is, as you can see, guided by values and behaviors focused on excellence, integrity, diversity, and leadership. You see, we believe in harnessing the power of disruptive technologies to enhance our operational service capabilities. And we leverage technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, blockchain, cloud computing, fintech, and cybersecurity to stay at the forefront of the industry. And it's these technologies that enable us to provide personalized investment strategies and solutions that are tailored to meet your needs. We believe in partnering with our clients to achieve their financial goals. We rub your back, you rub ours. We draw on our investment firm's expertise and insights to deliver the best possible outcomes. And we use certain technologies such as AI in portfolio management, trading, risk management practices, which ultimately increases efficiency, it increases accuracy because there's no human interaction, no human involvement, no human errors, and of course compliance too. And if we think about the major advantage of artificial intelligence these days in asset management particularly, is that the model learns the rules autonomously, no human intervention. Essentially, AI helps just to produce better asset return and risk estimates. And of course, it solves portfolio optimization problems under complex constraints. Big data, as we see, is pretty much, it's the amount of data that is generated from online activity, smartphone use, satellites, and other devices that continue to grow in both volume and complexity. Let's face it, technology is growing at a rapid rate. And we leverage this big data to predict sales, recessions, and future purchase intentions across the categories. This helps us make those better investment and risk management decisions on. And when you think about investing with Azimut, you just need to take a look at our stock performance to understand how good we are and how well we are doing. As of April 28th, the last recorded price was around 20 euros, indicated a positive change of 15%. And I mean, it demonstrates the resilience and the potential growth opportunities at Azimut Investment Management, and what we offer to you as our investors. Azimut's growth has been, over the years, has been remarkable. I mean, in 2004, our total assets under management were 8.7 billion US. I mean, we fast forward to 2022, look at that, a total of 83.4 billion in assets. This astronomical and substantial increase in assets under management is a testament to the trust that our clients place in us, and of course, the successful strategies that we employ. And we think about the successful strategies, and we think about investment opportunities, the AZ Alternative Commodities Sub-Fund. This is a sub-fund that is designed to achieve, we got to think about investments, they're not short-term, they're long-term, right? And this is designed to achieve long-term capital growth by actively investing in commodity indices. And we've allocated between 50 to 100% of the net assets indirectly into commodities through derivative financial instruments or other UCIs, ETFs or ETCs. Additionally, we may utilize total return swaps or TRS with long only or long short strategies on the financial indices that offer exposure to commodities. The base currency of this fund is USD, by the way, or US dollars, and currency exposure is not hedged. Another exciting opportunity we offer is the AZ Equity, the ASEAN country sub-fund. And it's this sub-fund that seeks long-term capital growth, again, long-term capital growth, by actively managing by companies in the Association of Southeast Asian Nation Countries, or ASEAN countries. We invest at least 80% of our net assets in equities issued by companies registered in ASEAN countries, listed on the ASEAN or any other stock market worldwide. And the base currency of this, of course, is the USD as well. On to our Azimut Investment Management Affiliate Marketing Plan. We introduced affiliate marketing, the affiliate marketing program, to incorporate investment categories as low as $50 to a maximum of $12,000 in our affiliate program. And we've got 3 subcategories, Class A, B, and C. If we take a look at the first category A, we've got a minimum of investment of $50 to $200 or $400 there, with 4% benefit every week. Class B, we've got 400 minimum to 3,000 minimum, 6% every week benefit, and Class C between 3,000 and 12,000 USD with 8% benefit every week. And if we look at our classes and A, B, and C, if we look at Class A, or should I say up here, oopsie, over here. If we look at Class A, we've got the 4% of your assets which are managed every week, 6% of your assets managed weekly, and then 8%, of course, managed weekly as well. Our rules and benefits, I mean, we can see right there, your direct bonus, as we heard from Winston earlier, is paid directly. It's paid instantly to your crypto wallet after the successful registration of a new partner. I mean, we look at that 300% cap on total assets that are managed. We've got a binary bonus directly paid to your crypto wallet daily at 1 a.m. in the morning. And we've got a withdrawal fee, 5%. We've got peer-to-peer transfer. And yeah, you need to activate your account by using 100% USDT TRC20 or using 100% of your account balance. Now, this capital redemption management fee means that if any investor wishes to redeem their assets before the full management period, there will be charges as per the percentages on the PDF. So in other words, friends, keep it in there. Keep it in there. As we can see the fees there, keep it in for over 120 days, 0%, right? So it's long-term, as we said, no short-term here. Now, in Azimut Affiliate Marketing Plan, we've got 3 different bonuses. One, we've got the agent's bonus. As we can find it here. Right there. We've got an agent bonus. When you introduce a client to invest in Azimut, you earn 10% of their investment package. You earn 10% of their investment package if you introduce a client to invest in Azimut. We've got a binary bonus. This way you earn this bonus for building your binary network, and you earn 10% of the total invested assets of your smallest binary volume. Then we've got our weekly, I can't find that one, sorry. Our weekly asset bonus, where you earn this bonus every week on a Monday at 1 o'clock UTC as your returns from the company for your asset. And then we've got a rank bonus as well, where you qualify for this bonus by earning a cumulative income from your total income from all the above 3 affiliate bonuses. Let's see here. What else have we got? Here are the rules, as we mentioned just now. Some of the benefits of being an Azimut affiliate. As we said, your agent bonus is automated, basically being paid directly into your crypto wallet. You've got your weekly asset bonus. And basically, you invest your assets by funding your account with 100% of USDT, as I mentioned just now. Okay. Brilliant. I actually skipped straight past this one. Then in the recognition bonus, we'll be able to talk about this a little bit later on. We'll leave it up here for a moment. I would just like to say thank you so much, and just extend our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us today. We're hoping that this webinar has kind of provided some valuable insight into the defining investment direction that Azimut Investment Management offers. We've got a comprehensive range of services. We've got a global presence. We've got a dedicated team. We are committed to responsible investing and alternative investment opportunities that position us as a trusted partner in helping you to achieve your financial goals. Again, if you have any further questions, please reach out to us. Don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you once again. And of course, we wish you a fantastic rest of your day. Back to you, Winston, my good sir. If you're with us, feel free to come back on and let us continue with our presentation. Thanks once again.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm always here. You don't need to worry about me being here. I'm always here.
Brilliant. So we don't know. Yeah. You might have stepped out to go get a drink. Winston, anything can happen.
I actually left my door open and my cat got in, and I had to, it was screaming for food, so I had to kind of feed him. So
I'm sure you're not the only one with that problem.
Miss much. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Thanks,
thank you very much. That was great. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we wrap up this Zoom call, I would like to express yet again my absolute gratitude for your time and active participation. It has been a pleasure to share this story of Azimut Investment, this historical moment in our company, and the exciting initiative that we are going to be undertaking. So one of these initiatives is the recently launched affiliate program. As you've just seen, it is a crowdfunding. We believe in crowdfunding as a method to provide our clients worldwide with opportunities to benefit from an extensive asset management experience. We firmly believe that by embracing this approach, we can establish a mutual beneficial relationship. Rub my back, how rub yours. We keep saying it because it's just what we're trying to do here. So I am delighted also to announce that next week on Friday, our esteemed global CEO and chairman of Azimut Investment Management, Mr. Giorgio Mera, will be hosting a special meeting that the exact time that we started on today, the same as this meeting, you will be able to communicate with him. And this meeting serves as a platform for Mr. Mera to introduce our company in greater depth and provide insights into our vision for the future. Furthermore, I would like to inform you about a significant update regarding our Zoom meetings today. We already mentioned this in the previous call, but we would like to do these calls every Friday, Monday, and Wednesday. Moving forward, we have established this schedule as our regular scheduled Zoom meeting. We'll be hosting Zoom meetings every Monday, again, Wednesday, and Friday of each week at the same time as today's meeting. This meeting will be a valuable opportunity for us to connect with you, share updates, discuss important topics related to Azimut investments and the industry as a whole. So we kindly request that you mark your calendars and plan to join us on one of these designated days. Again, Friday, Monday, Wednesday. Additionally, I'm thrilled to announce that our company will be sponsoring the top 5 performing leaders to visit our head office in Milan. The dates of this visit will be communicated by Mr. Mera personally, and we look forward to welcoming these outstanding individuals to our humble headquarters. Furthermore, for those of you located in countries where we already have branches, you are more than welcome to visit our offices, experience our operations firsthand. And again, said this in the call before, the tea, coffee, water is on us. I would like to remind you just about another key point of the affiliate program when it comes to the agent bonuses. We have implemented an instant payment system. This means that the bonus is promptly transferred to the affiliate's crypto wallet, ensuring a fast and automated payment process. Our aim is to just eliminate the delays and complications and the headaches, allowing our agents to just receive their bonuses without a hassle. We move on to some questions now that you might have. So if you have a question, please request to be unmuted, and we shall answer those questions for you. Me and Mr. Jason, hopefully he's still here and not hitting his cat. So go ahead, make your requests, people. Okay. Any questions?
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, speaking to Africa.
Welcome, Patricia.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, thank you so much for this great opportunity. I think and hope so that you guys are gonna be with us for a longer time and for a longer period.
Certainly our aim.
So yeah, yes, yes. So as this company is still young, to us here in my country specifically. So
Okay.
I just want to understand because it's starting and that support is not that too much. We don't have the deep ideal of the company. So since we are here, so I think maybe you will help me just to give just a few clarity as we are networkers. So what are your missions or your visions about like African countries, especially is in terms of offices or in terms of legalities, yeah, stuff like that. Because since we are in this online businesses, we move. Some of us leaders we move deeply, and lengthy to such an extent that we gain too much momentum, and after the end of the day, while people they're still enjoying, then the company switched off or the company collapsed, and then we ended up being in troubles. People will be after us and stuff like that. So since we are networkers, we are hustlers, we don't give up. But in terms of starting the company and moving the company, just that feeling and that protection from you guys, what are you saying about the legalities and to give us that strength to say, guys, move on. We are here for you. These are the things that we're going to put on the table. Thank you.
Right. Well, thank you very much for your question. I really appreciate the question. I appreciate the interaction that we have, and this is the aim of these meetings and these calls, because
Yes.
the goal for us here, when you ask about Africa, and I know the sort of the struggles that could come from being an African citizen, because I myself am an African citizen. I am from Algeria, and
Okay.
I've had these investment opportunities before, and some investment opportunities were so good, but I couldn't really participate due to the legalities of
Yes.
the country that we live in. And thing is, when it comes to Africa and our plans, our vision, as a whole, we aim to expand as much as we can in the whole across of Africa. It's just not just one country or two. If anything, we aim to help the people of Africa more than maybe other clients in other parts of the world, because a lot of our team is from there and we understand the struggles that come with this. And thankfully, we have a lot of our team members in the Azimut Group that are from Africa, and they understand the obstacles and issues that could come with this, and they're helping us navigate through these things. Now, I'm not part of the legal department, so I can't really speak to how to mold the laws in our favor, but I know that we have incredibly trusted people and incredibly smart and talented people at the job in our legal department who are doing their absolute best to be as good of a group and as good of a help to the African people across the multi-nation African, the countries of Africa, basically, is what I'm trying to say here. We have people from the inside that are doing their best at providing you with the best service that you can possibly have. And we're not just outsiders trying to enter this market. We have people who are within the market itself. And I can guarantee you that as time marches on, we will always have more expansion, more services targeted towards the African people and the African nations.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So yeah,
Thank you for your
I
question.
think. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Any other question?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'm Jerry
Welcome, Jerry.
from Congo, but I'm in South Africa.
Two
Yes, I
beautiful
want just to
countries.
ask, yeah, like I'm from Congo, but I'm living in South Africa. I
All
want
right.
just to know, I saw how the company grew from 2004 until 2022. It's
Mhm.
very incredible. But what I want to know, what is your goal by opening the company like to the MLM? Why, what are you gaining you on your side? Because the way that we can see the growth, it's incredible, but now you are opening to MLM. What is your what are you gonna gain on opening it to people?
Mhm. So
What are you going? Yes.
okay. So
Okay, that is that is the first question.
okay.
And the second
Go ahead.
question, like now in Africa, the MLM business or MLM system, people are taking it like a scam. As the person was talking just before me, what are you giving like us to make sure that okay, this time we are not in a scam, and
Mhm.
you're gonna be with us for a very long time? Because now those kind of businesses, MLM, it's all over the place, all over Africa, and we really want to build our health, but we want to do it in a proper way. We don't want to be okay, people are gonna start pointing us like we are scamming them, but we are not the one who are coming with the business. We need to understand and to know why we are going through the MLM, and what gonna give us that assurance that okay, this time is not it's very different from the other MLM business. And the problem is even the system looks exactly like those other MLM. You understand? If I
Right.
try to introduce someone in this business, the person gonna see like, okay, this business look exactly like the same one where you recruited me and I lost my money.
Mhm. All right.
Yes.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay. Good. I'm sorry. Could you remind me of the first question, because I don't remember exactly the wording, so I can answer
Yes, I was
properly.
saying, seeing the way that the company was growing from 2004
Right.
to
Right.
2000, yeah.
Okay.
You have
So
been, yeah,
our growth is due to the way we do business in the Azimut Group, and I can't speak much for the growth of 2004. From that point, I wasn't with the company, and I'll be completely honest with you. However, I know once I got in the company and I saw the whole thing, I understood why that growth makes sense when you consider the whole context, because of our vast experience in asset management and the use of cutting edge technology in everything that we do. We never had an issue in participating in the market in the best way possible. We had the funding, we had the technology, we had the right talent, and so that growth makes sense when you consider all these things. Now, why are we doing crowd? What you said, crowdfunding strategy? It is to help investors. I mean, we only, like you asked, what is it? What is there for us? And we are a company that aims to make as much profit as it can while maintaining a good ethical code and helping our investors make as much money as they can. So, like we said multiple times in this call, you're up our back and we are up yours. It's a mutual beneficial relationship. We only make money when you do, and you only make money when we do. So when you ask about what is it in for us, I mean, you're the priority in this one. you're the priority in this relationship, because when you make money, we do, and we can pay our staff, and we can drive our cars and afford groceries and stuff like that. So we are tied up to you as much as you're tied up to us. And so we cannot afford to fail for two reasons. We cannot afford to fail because we would fail you, and we cannot afford to fail because we would fail ourselves. And so when you ask this question, please consider that the fact that we are in a mutual relationship here, and we're together in this. Okay, and for the second question is like how you could trust us. I mean, just look at our portfolio, look at our offices. Like I said, we are not afraid of hiding anything because we're in the open. We said if you're in one of the countries where we have offices, you can just go there. Now, as for Africa, we have an office in Egypt, and you can just go there and see how the whole operation works. You can find staff that would answer your questions. You can find managers. Everyone is there. And if you look up us online, and you can go to the stock exchange and everything, you can find us there. All our data is there. We have been a company that's been here for a while, so we have basically nothing to hide. You can just find us and make sure for yourself, because the data is just there. That would be my answer to your question. I really, really appreciate the interaction with us. And I wish you well, and I wish you a good day there in South Africa. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello.
Okay, so we had our fun with the questions, but even more fun, we do have a special guest. I'm just gonna bring him here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our esteemed CEO here. We're very happy to have him. We expected him to be here on Friday, but he's already here. So welcome, Mr. Giorgio Mera.
Well, good afternoon. It's good and good evening, everyone, depending on where you are. He's already introduced me, Giorgio Mera, AMZ CEO, Global Head of Asset Management. I am so excited to meet you all for the first time since the launch of our affiliate department this past Saturday. The program is off to the races, and we are very pleased to be here. Irrespective of my tightly scheduled day today, I had to pop in since I missed Saturday and at least say hello and welcome you all to Azimut. We are very excited. I want you to understand that the main reason we as Azimut Asset Management decided to incorporate the affiliate program is to accommodate the clients of all levels in order to help you grow your finances by being an Azimut agent. So just a huge thank you to the development team. I was going to tease Jason. I got on right at the end of his talk, and he was forgetting about stuff from before. And our team has done so much stuff that it's easy to forget all the stuff we've done. So thank you to the development team for pulling this all off. Our amazing training team, Winston and everybody, for getting this presentation together. And finally, to you for joining us in our exciting future. We can't wait. I also want to announce, I think Winston may have touched on it, that in September, all director affiliate members will be sponsored by the company. There's some conditions and stuff, but sponsored by the company to attend our annual conference in Milan. Now, how exciting is that? I can't wait for that. And coming up Friday, we're going to have another special meeting where I intend to be here for the whole time, and I will communicate the dates in my interactive meeting with you all on Friday. Thank you yet again for being here. Thank you for taking part of what is probably part of your evening, maybe time from your family. We appreciate it, and hopefully your family's involved with you in this. And in any case, thank you again to the whole team, and I will see you on Friday. Winston, back to you, buddy.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is a great surprise. I didn't expect it, but here we are. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Happy to do it. I think the people on the call deserved a little recognition, and it was great to be here.
Yeah,
so thanks
they
so
were
much.
They were asking about you on the last meeting, and we said we promise you he will be here on Friday. And now we have this massive surprise that you're here even earlier than that. And we're very happy to have you.
You're most welcome. See you Friday.
See you Friday. All right. So that was our esteemed CEO. Very happy to have him. I hope everyone enjoyed this call. And as he said, we really appreciate having you here and spending time with us. I'm very certain that you have other things that you can do with your time, and just to give us a little bit of your time here in this evening or whatever your time zone is. We really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. That basically concludes our whole call. Thank you again for being here. Reminder, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, and next Friday, he will be here for the long time. I think you just liked him being here for maybe a minute. Friday, he will be here for the whole call, and we will see you then. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.